Just a quick video for today. I wanted to show how I drill holes in these totes. It's for drainage. You want to use them as planters. I like to use the step drill bit here, and I like to use a manual hand crank and drill. It gives me better control over the speed and how deep the drill it goes. The reason I like to use the step drill is it won't cause the plastic to crack as you drill into it. And you just pull out, reverse it, and there's your hole. You see again. And keep in mind, this is actually a fairly fragile little tote as well. You basically want to go all around and try and drill as many holes as you can and throughout it. With the step drill, the deeper you go, the larger the hole. And you can get larger step drills as well. Put some on this lip here. See, the ground will be sitting on this part here. So these will be more useful, but it's still good to put some holes throughout this as well. Now it's not necessary, but if you want to, you can also put holes in the sides here as well, just in case these get really clogged up. I haven't had any problem with that. I haven't needed to put any holes in the sides myself, but it's just an option if you want. There we have the finished product. You can even put more holes in it than this if you want. But that's plenty right there.